There's a hush before the tears, a pause between heart's old fears, a trembling breath, a softened sound. Where shattered pieces gather round, they do not fall to the wound or break, but rather cleanse, restore, remake. Each drop a mirror, each release, a quiet hymn that carries peace. The weeping sky, the bending tree, knows something deep in mystery. That water smooths the jagged stone and makes what's lost becomes one's own. Each tear holds memory and fire, a longing born of old desire to love again, to stand, to stay, to let pain be washed away. No bitterness in what is wept. The soul has earned the tears it kept, for through the sorrow wisdom grows, and what was thorn becomes rose. The eyes that see through the veil of rain perceive the beauty born of pain, where endings blur and gently part, revealing mercy's beating heart. And though the night seems long and deep, the tears will sing the soul to sleep. So when the morning light appears, it glimmers soft on silver tears. A tear can teach the hand to heal, the heart to open, mind to feel. In every sob, though small and weak, is language only angels speak. There is kindness in the rain. It falls on joy as well as pain. It blesses field and furrowed brow, and whispers love through loss somehow. So let the tears come, pure and clear. They do not mark defeat or fear, they mark a strength too deep to name, a cleansing fire, a holy flame. For tears that heal do not erase, they consecrate the fragile place where heart meets hope and gently learns how every sorrow softened turns. They do not hurt, they open wide, a river flowing deep inside, and through that flow, the soul is stirred to love once more, renewed, assured. And when the weeping finds its rest, the body, mind, and breath are blessed. For in those tears the truth is clear. To heal one must be strong enough to tear. Be nice, be kind, and be the greatest expression of you.